Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the creepy looking mask of Michael Myers. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the eye area first. So I'm going to start out with one of his eye. So I'm just going to make a point and drawing almost like a bracket. So I'm going to slant up and then slant down and come back down. So this is going to be like the corners of his eye, of the eye socket. And if you connect this, it should make like a little slanting down line. Okay, and then we're going to finish this off. So I'm going to come down, and then from this corner here I'm just going to come down as well. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw in the other eye. So we're going to come across here, but then kind of go up slightly because this eye is a little bit higher. So on this side, we're going to draw in almost the same bracket here. I'm going to go up and then slant back down. And then from the corners here, we're just going to come down. Again, same thing here. And then on this corner, just come down, just round it off. And that's going to be the eye socket area. And just let me shade it in real quick. Make it a little bit more menacing. So those are the two eyes. So from here we can draw in the eyebrow. So the eyebrow is just going to be, it's actually very thin. It's not very noticeable in the mask. So I'm just going to draw one line across. And then I'm just going to give it a little bit of thickness. Just come out from the corners and just go up. Okay, and then on this side, this one's going to be a little bit straighter. Kind of slanting down. And then again, we're just going to go up. Let's give it a little bit of thickness. Okay, and then on the corner here, we're going to draw a little bit for the nose on the bridge. So we're just going to draw one curve like this around the corner of the eye. Okay, and then now we're going to draw in his nose. So come down on the corner of the eye right here. Just come down. And I'm just going to draw one little bracket like this. And then on the other side of the eye, so we're going to come down. So come out a little bit. I'm going to draw it a little bit lower. So it's this side is a little bit lower, so it's not symmetrical. And that's kind of what gives it its personality. Okay, and then from here in the middle, I'm just going to draw in curve, and I'm just going to connect those with the opposite curve. It's like a wavy line in the middle. All right, and then in the corner here, come down with a line, and then on this line here on the corner, it's a little bit straighter. Okay, so one more feature, we're almost done with the face. So we're gonna come down and draw his lip. So come down quite a bit. We're gonna make a little mark here. It's gonna be the opening of the between his lip. So right here on this side, we're gonna slant up all the way here. And then on this side, we're gonna continue to slant down. And then around the edge here, we're just gonna hook it slightly. And then we go back to the middle. Just draw in, it's gonna be the top of his upper lip. Curve like this, and then on the corner, just gonna connect to the edge. Just give it a slight dip. Alright, and then on the lower lip here is a little bit thinner, so just draw a little line like that. And then from the corner here, just go up and connect to the edge again. And then on the corner of his lip, on this side, come down. And then on this side, come down as well, but just kind of go out a little bit more. Alright, so now that we have all the features, let's fill in the rest of his face. So it's kind of wider on the side here, so just come out. And I'm just going to draw a bracket like this. Come out to the other side. Let's draw another bracket. Okay, and then we'll continue this line here, curve. Just have it go all the way down. Right about here. So on this side, this one's gonna be, yeah, it's almost the same. So just stop here. And now for his chin, it's gonna come out. So we're gonna dip it down. And then right above here, we're gonna draw one line going down. So now we can go up and finish up his forehead. So on his forehead, we can actually start here, just go up. You can make a little point first. Just curve down on right in the middle. And then now we're gonna curve out, just kind of come down and just meet up to that line. Okay, so curve up, come back down and just close it off. And then now for his ear, so right for his ear, just come out in the eyebrow area, come out to the side, and it's really simple. So there's not a lot of details, so we're just gonna draw one big curve coming down all the way here. Okay, eyebrow, come out to the side, make a curve all the way down here. And there won't be a lot of details, so I'm just gonna draw another little curve inside here. Alright, and then now let's draw in the hair. So the hair is pretty easy. Let's see. Okay, let's start out on the top here. So right on the top, we're gonna come up. Just gonna draw a little angle. Just trying to give it a little bit of a volume here. And then we're gonna come down, just kind of a little bit of wavy line. Again, it doesn't have to be exact, and then we're just gonna go all the way down to the edge, right behind the ear. Okay, on this side, I'm just gonna give a couple of these bumps, come around here, and then when you're on the side, just kind of give it a little bit of waviness all the way down. And let's just add in a little bit of a detail in the hair. So we're just gonna draw in some of these lines here. Okay, so very simple. So then let's just finish up the mask here. So this one's part's easy. From the ear, we're just gonna come down. So it's gonna be pretty wide. So this is supposed to be going over the head. So it's gonna be really wide. And then we're gonna come curve all the way across. Alright, so that's the full mask, and now let's add in some detail to just add in a little bit more creasing and make it a little bit more creepy, right? So let's start out in the eye area. So on the corner here, just gonna add in a couple of lines like this. Make it look like folding on the corner of the mask. And in the middle right here, just a couple of lines. And even right underneath the eyes right here, I'm just gonna add in a couple of these lines here. Okay, and then on the forehead, a couple of lines here, and then maybe on the side here. And then right underneath the nose, we can draw in two little lines like that because it's supposed to connect to the lip. And even here, we can add a little bit more. And then for his neck area, just start out here for his throat area. Drawing two lines that way, and then let's just add in a few more. And you can always add in like little dots here and there. And that is it for this Michael Myers mask from Halloween. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.